Joining the workshop will be Kadi Kanute, a former Olympian and currently the chairperson of the Education Commission of the World Anti-Doping Association WADA. Chairperson of the Athletes Commission Gabby Aaron stated that Kanute will be vital in educating the young and aspiring athletes about anti-doping.
The doping process itself can be very intimidating for athletes, and as soon as you become an international athlete and you're registered with the Olympic Committee, you need to be tested regularly. That doesn't mean always in competition, at the competition. It actually also means that the doping control officers can phone you up while you're at home on a Friday evening at 8 o'clock watching TV. They will phone you, they will ask where you are, and you will have to give them your whereabouts. They will come to you then and there and they will test you. This is all part of the anti-doping regulation, even if it's out of competition. You know, these things the athlete needs to know. This is what we're going to educate them about. There's also a big difference between in-competition drugs, which you are not allowed to take, and out-of-competition drugs. So while you're allowed to maybe have a beer, you know, out of competition, obviously in competition you're not allowed to have it, but vice versa also. There are some things you're not allowed to take outside of the competition, which you need to be aware of. It's important that we do reach out to the younger athletes as well. The nice thing about Mrs. Kadi that's coming from Switzerland now is she is the chairperson of the Education Commission of WADA. So she will also be teaching us all the projects that WADA is currently busy with, the tools that they are using to educate people on the ground. And so we will for sure get a lot of tips from her, probably to go forward to see how we can include schools and younger athletes in future. To make sure that our athletes in the region have access to it, they are of course invited. We will provide transport as well as accommodation for them. And like Joan has previously mentioned, our education on the ground will happen at national championships throughout next year. So if the national championships of athletics, for example, will be in the north, then we will travel to the north to make sure we are there.
Namibia's leading doping control officer Jason Snyders, who will be a facilitator at the workshop, mentioned that athletes do not take anti-doping testing seriously, as most of them only realize the importance of testing after they have tested positive. He further urged all sport commissions and athletes to take anti-doping seriously, as it hinders an athlete's opportunities to compete internationally.
When they start with their training and when they start with the processes and with everything that they go through, doping is left to last. And only once they go through the process, then and they get tested, sometimes they get tested a positive test, then they open their eyes, realize, and they know what's happening around them. And this is why this is a good opportunity for us to put doping first again on the map. Because if an athlete inspires or aspires to become one of the Namibia's top athletes, they will need to go through these tests and they will need to know the rules and the regulations of doping as well. And I must congratulate Gabby for this, because this isn't the first time that she's doing this. So well done, Gabby, for keeping doping first on the agenda for the athletes.
Yeah, it is. It's a very important topic. I mean, if we test positive as athletes, it's not only an embarrassment to the athlete, but also an embarrassment to the whole country. So that's why it's very important to keep up to date and make sure that we know, what to look out for.
The workshop is scheduled to take place on the 14th of November 2020 at the Avani Hotel in the capital. Athletes are urged to register for the workshop before or on the 10th of November 2020. Only 80 participants are allowed at the workshop, with the athletes given priority when registering.